So today we're going to talk about the IfError function. The IfError function actually lets you customize the error messages in Excel. So we have as an example here the #NA error message, and the way that I've done that is I've created a faulty VLOOKUP formula. Just as an example, you can actually implement this in a wide variety of situations. So we have this blank cell here in A1, and in B1 we're looking back at the blank cell in A1 and trying to find a VLOOKUP for that. It of course comes out to #NA, which is the entire example, and then we've got the actual formula text here a little bit bigger to try and make you give you a little bit of representation the entire time. But we also have this, the IfError implementation. So in this scenario, we've kind of built our VLOOKUP, and something's going wrong with it, but I want to be able to explain to the user what's going on rather than give them that cryptic #NA error message, which, as you may know, concerns many users that what you've created is faulty. In this case, that's true, but in a lot of cases, it's not. It's just an expected scenario of your inputs. So here we have the IfError, which you can actually see the VLOOKUP inside of here. That's actually just the first argument of the IfError. What you're getting here is equals IfError parenthesis, and then you actually just include the formula as normal, and beyond that formula, comma, and then your generic error message. So whatever you actually want to customize your error message as, in this case the generic is this is an error. But we can actually change that. So this again is a formula text function. It's not looking here, this is looking at that. So E1 is where we'll actually modify this. And you can actually just change this text based on whatever the scenario you're looking at is. This is bad. Let's go even more generic. This is bad, and so now we have, instead of #NA or instead of #value or whatever else you might run into, you're actually getting this is bad. Or you can make this as relevant or as nonsensical as you'd like. So cheese can fly. Yep, I do hate typos, especially when I'm writing nonsense. So cheese can fly is just as plausible of an entry as anything else, but doesn't really make sense in this scenario. So if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or send me a message and I'll get back to you. Thank you.